Hello YouTube community, thank you very much for coming to my channel. So today I thought I would do a review / tour to show you how you can get free food in the UK on your birthday. The plan is to go for a Mexican lunch at Tortilla, and then cake at Costa, then a juice at Boost, and then in the evening a dinner at Bella Italia. Before I do that, a disclaimer. The reason why I'm doing this is that the UK is in a cost of living crisis. It's affected everyone, myself included, and eating out can have some very prohibitive costs. However, it doesn't have to be that way. There are things you can do to mitigate that if you enjoy eating out. And this video is intended to show you an example of this that you can use on your birthday. The information is correct as of summer 2023. Okay. Step 1. Sign up to mailing lists or register with the different restaurant chains. I would strongly recommend using a separate email account for marketing purposes only if you do not want your normal main personal or work inbox to be spammed. However, any details you provide should absolutely be accurate because I will need to be bringing my ID along with me, and if the information I provided does not match my legal information on the ID, then I could very well be rejected and not entitled to all this free food. Whilst I was out and about, I also got a drink from Pret. This was not a birthday treat, but included in the regular subscription. This is 5 drinks a day for £30 a month, but the first month is £15. Feeling very full, I went home to have an afternoon nap, and then headed out to Bella Italia.